I started looking for places where I wanted to go. I went up to Himalayas. I went all the way to sea. But honestly speaking, I had to come back to my hometown. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. Delhi is my hometown. I knew the connectivity of Delhi with all the cities. Everybody wants to come to the center. Delhi is the center of art and craft. So there couldn't be anything better than Delhi. So after going to all the places, I finally came down to Delhi and looked for a place and where exactly we are sitting. So Craft Village I have been conceiving from last 3 years. It took me proper 3 years to think and decide what I want, how I want, what we can do for craftsmen, what we can do for artisans, what we can do for artists, what we can do for children who want to study craft, and also the international program and linkages. International students have been always seeking place in India where they can come and learn craft, but they don't know where to go. But now Craft Village actually in existence, they don't have to go anywhere. They can come to us and we can provide them various options for various kind of a craft and they can choose and learn whatever they want to learn. So we have international linkages in pipeline. We have workshops in pipeline. We are already coming up with pottery, sculpture, photography workshops, textile weaving workshop, camel braiding we have just done with Mr. Errol Pyers, who is one of the 12 only known people in the world who knows fly split braiding. Only a handful of people. So I'm very lucky to start with Mr. Errol Pyers. I'm very honored that he gave me an opportunity uh, to begin Craft Village with a good boom. So this is how the main forte is that first of all it is in the heart of capital city. Second, that it provides not only craft education but also provides you a platform to grow yourself. If you have been knowing a particular craft, even if you are just a homemaker, you can come here and you can teach others. So it provides a platform for everybody, to artists and design museum. There will be having not only design museum, also design and craft museum, which will attract a lot of tourists in India, and the tourists who are already here and wants to see what kind of a craft happened to India, they can always visit Craft Village and they can learn and understand all this, and will be giving them glimpses of rarest of rare crafts of India. Hello. I must say, because when I went to Italy, I went to south of Italy in Puglia region, and in Puglia region there is a village called Albero Bello. I got very inspired from Albero Bello, and I got little glimpse of Albero Bello in India. And these cottages are our art residencies. If you are an artist, you can come, you can stay here, and you can learn whatever craft you are doing. We had and the master artisan can also come here and stay here. Students can come and stay here, designers can come and stay here, and they can hire the studios, and the residencies are free, you know. So this is a little carpet of entertainment, a carpet of culture, a carpet of craft, and long histories which bring us together, the entire globe together. That is what Galicha is all about. We have all the stuff for painting, clay tool, pottery, and canvases for little children, where we can just provide them a little space to just paint the dream of their own world. To fill it up with more creative stuff, I'm not sure, maybe something for Craft Village, some mural for Craft Village I'm going to create here.